10.5 feet Foldable Telescopic Ladder. A-type, easy to extend and retract. Lightweight, only 26 pounds. Maximum load bearing capacity 330 pounds. Suitable for different domestic and commercial uses. Made of durable and sturdy lightweight aluminum, our telescopic ladder is safe to use. The aluminum spray treatment on the surface is wear resistant and scratch resistant for a long lifetime. Industrial grade height locking latches, solid anti-slip rubber tipped feet, and a support bar ensure maximum safety. The charaHOME extendable ladder has locks at every step with 2 slide height locking latches that automatically spring into place when the ladder is extended. Separate mechanical locks on rungs, therefore, can be adjusted to different heights for different tasks. Suitable for commercial and DIY use, practical for individuals and professionals. Such as house building maintenance, window cleaning, interior-exterior decoration, painting, etc. Thanks to its multi-position function, this aluminum extension ladder can be used for installation, decoration, cleaning, etc. Durable aluminum alloy, the maximum load capacity is 330 pounds. Foldable design. Easy to use, easy to carry. Rubber feet to protect the interior floor and ensure maximum safety. Electrostatic powder coating not only gives pleasing black appearance but also makes the ladder wearable and scratch resistant. Wide range of applications. Suitable for commercial and DIY use, such as house building maintenance, window cleaning, interior decoration, painting, etc.